Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Nice to see you again. I hope you are all fine. Today, you see this monkey man. He's here. Look at it. He's quite, hungry. Look, people over here, they are eating what you call it KFC. All the rich people, they come here. They eat chicken, everything. But nobody is helping this guy. He's a very poor guy. I'm asking him in Urdu. आप जो है यहाँ पे आते हो, लोग आपकी मदद करते हैं?
नहीं,
कोई मदद नहीं करता.
कोई मदद
Nobody,
नहीं
nobody help him out over here. Sometimes he does not have money. कभी कभी आप खाली जेब भी जाते हो.
खाली जेब भी जाते हैं.
You see all the rich people, they over here, KFC, they come and I ask him, have you ever seen dollar? आपने कभी डॉलर देखे हैं?
नहीं देखे.
आपने कभी रियाल देखे हैं
नहीं
सऊदी
देखा.
अरब के?
नहीं देखा.
दरम देखे हैं?
नहीं देखा.
You see, in this country, Pakistan, you are giving us so much aid, that superpower you are. It is a message for you. Your dollars, your real, your dirham does not reach to poor people. All the rich politicians, they grab it, they put in their account, offshores. These people, poor people, they don't get anything. One more question, एक आखिरी सवाल. आपने कभी KFC खाया?
नहीं खाया.
He never tasted KFC. He does not know the taste of KFC.
एक नंबर शहर.
I hope one day, he tastes the KFC and his monkey is hungry and he does not have a food. Look how weak he is. कितना कमज़ोर है ये. You see, this we should give one message to the politicians that rich people, they can afford everything. Those rich people, I don't know where they came from. They have the dollar, they have the real, everything. But the poor people, they don't get your help, superpower. I just want to give you a message. I know what you are doing in Pakistan, in Punjab. They are fighting, two parties, they are fighting. They are making Pakistan weak. This is what you want. Once the Pakistan is weaker, then you will send the United Nations forces to take over. You will claim that the nuclear is in radicals' hand. So for that reason you will come over here. But I tell you one thing, you are wrong. These poor people, they have a good heart. आप पाकिस्तान के लिए लड़ सकते हो ना?
लड़ सकते हो.
You see, he can fight for Pakistan, even he is poor. So this is the message to you. You can spoil politicians, you can spoil them, but poor people, they were ready to fight for Pakistan. Shukriya Baba, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I hope you like my video. I pray for this guy. Give him, I give him some money. Okay, you take this to have your fruit or something. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.